Squeezy, squeezy.
You just put more paint all over Sandy? All right, guys. So today we put paint all over Thomas the Train. Check this out. We got all these different colors. We're going to make them go down the slide and right into the water. All right, Zayn, who do we have first?
Sandy the Railer.
Sandy the Railer.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
Go for it. We got Sandy the Railer. Look, watch her go. Whoa, here she goes. All right, up and down the slide. Whoa, here she goes. Whoa, that's so cool. Oh, boom, splash. That was so cool. Check this out, guys. All the blue just floated in the water.
It's Verona.
We got Verona.
Oh, if it isn't Kenji.
Verona, Frederico.
I hear you have a new young partner. That's gotta be tough.
Is next. All right, here you go, Verona. There you go. She's coming around. She's coming around. Oh, there she goes. Whoa. Up and down the slide. And splash. Whoa, that was so cool. Whoa. Who's that, Zayn?
It's Genji.
We got Kenji.
Wow, Kana, you're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
All right, here goes Kenji. Kenji's got all blue paint on him. Here he comes. Whoa. Oh, look at that. He's going up. Oh, and he slides down. Push him. Push him. There you go. Splash. And he went right in. All right, more paint. Who's that?
Kana.
We've got Kana.
Wow, she is fast.
Kana's got blue paint on her also. Here she comes. She's coming around. She's coming around. There you go. She goes up and down. Up and down. And splash. Look, watch her go in the water. Who do we have next?
We got Muddy Percy.
We've got a Muddy Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide and surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
Okay. Check out Muddy Percy. She's all muddy with the yellow paint. Zayn's gonna put him there. She's going up and down. Whoa, check that out. It's so cool. And whoa, splash. All right, who do we have next? Who's that?
It's Rainbow Diesel.
We got Rainbow Diesel.
Of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
Here he goes. Rainbow Diesel's covered with all yellow paint. All right, here he goes. Whoa, check that out. Splash! Whoa, with the big splash of yellow. Who's next? Who's that?
It's Diesel.
We've got Diesel.
What's your name, little guy?
Mama.
Okay, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next stop, Random Dogs to find your
Mama.
not your mama.
Diesel is covered with all yellow paint. Check him out. All right. No, stop.
Down.
Whoa, Diesel. That's so cool. Hero.
Hero.
We've got Hero.
We'll see you at the finish line, Hero, if not sooner. Oh, my guess is sooner.
Okay. Here's Hero. Whoa, he's covered in all yellow paint. Check him out. Whoa, all right. Here he comes. And check out those bubbles. Who's that?
That's Zayn.
That's James.
Whoops. This way, knights. I gotcha, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and... What?
Dragon captured.
James is covered in all yellow paint also. James is coming up. Here he goes, James. James is covered in all yellow paint. That is so cool. Whoa! That was cool. Whoa, who's that?
Thomas.
That's Rainbow Thomas.
It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
Rainbow Thomas is covered in all orange paint. Here he goes. Whoa, whoa, and whoa, whoop, he's stuck. There you go. Splash. Who's that?
That's Emily.
We've got Emily. Emily's covered in all orange paint.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines, great and...
Zane's finger is all colorful. Check that out. Okay. Emily's looks so cool with the orange paint. Here she goes. And whoa, splash. Who's that, Zane?
Young Bear.
That's Young Bao.
Thank you, young bear.
Young Bao's covered in all orange paint. Check him out. All right, here he goes on the slide. Back and forth, and he's splash right into the water. Zane, who's that?
That's Bruno.
That's Bruno.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave? Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Bruno's covered in all orange paint. Check him out. Whoa. Bruno's gonna go for a fun ride. Here he goes. Here he goes. And splash. Whoa. Bubbles. Who's that?
It's Gordon.
That's Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home? Me! I do!
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's check out Gordon. Whoa, Gordon's covered in all orange paint. Look at him. Okay. Here he goes. Here goes Gordon. Splash. Whoa. Zane, who's that?
That's Muddy Thomas.
This Muddy Thomas.
Bye, Thomas! Sorry. Wait! Woohoo! Told you mud was awesome. It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why he kept jumping in the...
Muddy Thomas is covered in all green paint. Check out the green paint on Muddy Thomas. He definitely needs to get in the water. Up and down and splash. There he goes. Who's that, Zane?
Carly the Crane.
Carly the Crane.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here and a snap snap there. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap. Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly. Thanks, Carly.
Yep, she's covered in all. All right, check out Carly. Whoa, she's all green. Here she goes. Oh, splash. Who's that, Zayn?
That's Racer Diesel.
That's a racer diesel, yup.
Hey, Connor, guess who I'm cheering for? There they are. I've got to go meet them.
That's a super fast diesel covered in all green. So cool. Whoa, here he goes. Whoa, splash. Who's that, Zayn?
Riff.
That's Riff.
Wow, we're actually on Sonar. This is super exciting.
Check out Riff. Riff's covered in all green paint. Riff is one of the racers. Whoa, check that out. So cool. All right, here goes Riff. Splash. Whoa, with the bubbles. Who's that, Zayn?
It's Percy.
That's Percy.
Delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham Hatt. Look! Oh no! It's getting away! I have to get that back. Come on! Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go! I have to get that back! There it is! I got it! I don't got it.
Percy's green with green paint. Check that out. Whoa, Percy's all painted up. Here Percy goes. Whoa, and whoa, splash. Who's that, Zayn?
Thomas.
That's Thomas the train.
Here comes Thomas on the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go!
And he's covered in all green paint. Here he goes. Back and forth and splash. Who do we have first, buddy?
Hold on.
All right.
We have Racer Diesel.
We've got Racer Diesel.
Hey, Connor, guess who I'm cheering for? There they are. I've got to go meet them.
Come out. Whoa, Racer Diesel. Yup. Looks great. All right. Here we go. Who's that,
We
Zayn?
got Buddy Thomas.
We've got Muddy Thomas.
Easy greasy. And I'm still clean as a whistle. Have fun in the mud. Whoa! Piggy, look out! Aw, bolts.
Check him out.
He's
Cool.
all muddy.
All muddy. Okay, all right. Who's that, Zayn?
Percy.
Go! I have to get that back. There it is! I got it! I don't got it.
Check out Percy. So cool. Awesome. Okay. Next, we got Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
Check that out. So cool. Wow. Rainbow Diesel. All right. Who's that, Zayn?
Rainbow Thomas. Look how Rainbow Easy.
We've got Rainbow Thomas. Yeah.
It's just ahead now, we cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow, whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
Yeah, look at Thomas and all the cool rainbows and colors on it.
Look, he's like a little baby.
Uh-huh. So cute.
Okay,
Awesome.
for next
Okay. Who's that?
Frederico.
We've got Frederico.
What? How did they...
Check him out. Whoa, Frederico's super fast. All right. And who's that?
Emily.
We've got Emily. Check out Emily.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines, great and small.
Guys. There she goes. All right, that's Emily. All right. Who's next?
Thomas.
We've got Thomas.
It's like the big Thomas one.
Yeah, we've got the little Thomas and we got the big Thomas. Isn't that cool?
Here comes Thomas on the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go!
Look, the face is the same thing. This.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hello guys, if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos with Zayn and Thomas and friends. Thank you.
Thomas said.
All right.
Let's go.
Thomas's head. Thomas is on Thomas. Okay. Oh, who's that, Zayn?
It's Gordon.
Uh-oh. Oh, Thomas, I might need some assistance here.
I'm coming, Gordon! Hold on! Whoa!
All right. Check out Gordon, guys. So cool, Gordon. All right, cool. Who we got here?
Percy.
We've got Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide-end surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
Check out Percy, guys. So cool.
And he's so glittery. Look at him.
Yep, Percy
Whoa.
looks really cool. Check out Percy, guys. Awesome. All right. Who's that?
It's Riff.
We've got Riff.
Next, Riff and Jiff. Engines whose incredible power and winning attitudes have made them legendary.
Cool. So awesome. Oh, who do we have here?
It's Hero.
We've got Hero.
Look how glittery this rock is.
Should the steam works? That was off the rails!
Yeah, that's such a cool rock. Check that rock out, guys. Whoa. Whoa, check out Hero. So cool. All right. In there. Whoa. Who's this guy?
James.
We've got James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon.
A dragon?
Run away! Ah!
Check out James.
Boop boop.
Hey, James. So cool. Awesome. Here you go. Okay, who do we have next? We got another hero.
Another Hero, and it's tiny.
Oh, we've got a tiny little hero.
Kana, this is Hero. He used to be my coach. He taught me everything I know. Hero, this is my partner for the race. Kana.
Ah, Speedy. I thought I saw something fly by.
Check him out. Whoa. Awesome. Cool. Oh, who's that?
Sandy, the Railer. Okay,
Check out Sandy.
Than we thought. For a job this big, I'm gonna need my extra special tools. Meet me at the sheds later?
Okay.
See you then. Go easy.
Oh, Sandy's so cute. What's she doing? Are you digging, Sandy? Go Sandy, guys. Hello. Hi, guys. Hope you're liking the video so far. All right. So cute. Okay. And who's that?
Glittery.
Who in the world is that? That's a Muddy Percy.
Rip, rip.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Check out Muddy Percy. Check out how muddy Percy is. Percy has all the mud on him. Cool. Here you go, Zayn. Go right into Thomas. Who else we got? We got young Bao.
They know you gotta leave at sunset. Where are they?
Thomas promised he'd be here. He'd never break a promise. I wonder what happened.
We got young Bao.
Check out young Bao.
Choo-choo.
Whoa. So awesome. Young Bao, he's cool.
It's Thomas.
We've got Thomas.
Whoa! There's the platform. I made it. Thomas!
Check out Thomas. So cool. Thomas. Cool. What do we have here?
Kenji.
We've got Kenji.
Look at his yellow wheels.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Kenji!
Kana, it's great to see you.
You too. Thank you so much.
Kenji, he's super fast. Whoa. Check out Kenji. Awesome. Okay. Who's next, Zayn? Who do we have here?
We got Thomas.
We've got-
shiny Thomas.
Whoa, that's a shiny Thomas, yeah.
Let's see. Whoa! Whoa! Phew. Ah! Full steam ahead. Whoa! No steam ahead.
So cool.
Wait, he looks like a cat.
Uh-huh, that's funny. Check out how shiny he is. Whoa, super shiny, super awesome Thomas. Cool. Okay, who do we have next, Zayn?
We got Diesel.
We've got Diesel.
New rule. You have to ride on one side of your wheels.
This side or this side?
New rule. You have to go backwards.
Diesel, I'm just faster than you, but you're stronger than me. How about we cross together and call it a tie?
New rule. Whoever comes in second wins.
Okay. Stronger means heavier.
Whoa!
And harder to slow down.
All right. Who's that?
Carly.
We've got
Look,
Carl.
look.
This way, Loco amiga. Lay the track. Snap the track. Cross the track.
Whoa, look what she does. Whoa.
She does. Oh, with Sandy, she does this. Look.
Whoa, yeah, Sandy and Carly are best friends. Whoa.
Ta-da.
That's so cool, Zayn. That is so awesome. Yeah, look at that. We got Carly the crane holding Sandy. They're both best friends. So cool. All right.
Hello. Hello. Let's say something.
Who's that, Zany?
Kana, my favorite train.
Kana, this is one of Zayn's favorite trains, Kana. She's so cool.
When I say go,
You said go.
I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See ya! Woo! See you at the finish line.
Super fast. Awesome. There she goes. And who's that guy over there, Zayn? Who's that? Who do we have here? Who do we have here over here?
Dirty Thomas.
Dirty Thomas. Ay, ay, ay. Thomas is super dirty.
That was close.
Thomas is super dirty. Whoa. All right, did we collect them all?
Let me see. I find will be us. Good.
We're good.
Yeah.
Whoa. So awesome.